Hi, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this Triumph Speed Triple 1050. As the name denotes, it's a 1050, it's a 3-cylinder. It makes about 130 brake horsepower. It's a really silky, smooth, punchy, creamy engine. Loads of horsepower, great chassis. A very versatile bike this, great if you want something for the lanes at the weekend, but equally it's a really comfortable naked, so you can use it for touring, you can use it for commuting as well. This is a 2009 bike. It's covered just under 20,000 miles. You wouldn't think so because it's in really, really nice condition. So I'll try and do it justice as we walk around. Massive 320mm discs, 4-pot radially mounted Brembo calipers and upside down forks, so really solid front end, loads and loads of stopping power. The bike does come as standard with braided lines as well, so you're not going to need to do anything up front. Loads of meat left on the front tyre. The bike does have an upgraded radiator grille from R&G. Doesn't have a belly pan, that might be something that you want to add. Also, as we come a little bit higher, you'll see that it doesn't have the optional fly screen. That's something that we could supply for you if you're interested, and we offer a little bit of discount as well. The bike on the whole is pretty much standard. It's very clean and tidy. On this side you can see there's no signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that at all. The bright work's in fantastic condition. We've got some R&G crash protectors, frame mounted ones just there. And you've got these factory fit Arrow exhausts which sound fantastic. Bike does seem to have an upgraded tail tidy as well, but it does have the full size plate. And one of the really nice things about the Speed Triple over the Street Triple is a single sided swing arm. Really, really looks very cool. As we come around the other side, it's very much the same story. Lovely clean conditions, been well maintained and loved. It looks like it's probably not seen any wet weather. Chain and sprockets are in really good condition and loads of life left in those. They do get checked before the bike goes out anyway. Rear tyre looks like it's brand new, doesn't look like it's done many miles either, so you won't need to do anything there. The bike comes with 2 keys, comes with a full service history, all the original owners' manuals. So there you can see the mileage, 19,194 miles. Just going to pull the clutch in and give her a start up for you. It's a very distinct and unique sound, the triple engine. Sounds absolutely awesome. Those cans just add a really deep burble to the back end of the bike. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it does sound really, really nice. Comes with a whole host of original parts as well, so anything to replace the aftermarket stuff that we've got. As I said, it's got loads and loads of history. It's a great bike, this. The new owner will not be displeased with it. It's a really, really nice, well-kept, well-loved bike. Bikes will come with free delivery for the time being. We don't know how much longer that's going to last, so try and take advantage of that while you still can. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty with free roadside assistance as well. We do offer finance and we do offer part exchange, so if that's something that you're interested in, then please feel free to reach out to us. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat on the website and an Auto Trader, we've got Facebook, and of course happy for you to either give us a shout or to pop into the showroom to have a look and a chat. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.